Hey guys, the good folks over at Houscly sent me over this handheld vacuum cleaner to do a little box opening, demonstrate it, and give you my thoughts on it. So let's get it opened up and see what we get. We have our user manual, a little thank you card, carrying bag here for it. Looks like we got an air filter here, got a floor brush. See what we have here. Okay, I have a little regular brush attachment. Oh, a little one. I have a small brush attachment. Another attachment here. Got some more attachments. This thing got all kinds of attachments with it. USB-A to USB-C charging cord. Got a bunch of attachments with this thing. And finally, our vacuum cleaner here. Pretty cool looking. Oh yeah. Be easy to dump out. There's the other filter right inside here. See if it has any power. We got an indicator right here of how much power you have in the battery. Feels like it's got pretty good suction. It's a 3-speed. Take that off to change your filter. And as far as the section, it has a section rating of 25,000 PA. Also, it has a 8,000 milliamp battery. It's supposed to last up to like 40 minutes. So, I'm sure that's going to be on low, but there's plenty of time to get a car vacuumed out or whatever you're vacuuming, cleaning off a chair, car, whatever you need to vacuum. Just kind of curious as to how these attachments attach. These are for blowing. Oh, okay. So you could blow up an air mattress, a ball pump, or whatever. Just put these on the end here. Put it in there. So you can put it in and turn it. There you go. So it also works as a blower. You see that? Blowing my stuff around over here. Uh-oh. I'm blowing stuff off the table here. It's got some power there. And that's on low. You see my hand. That is neat. I have never seen a little hand vacuum that works as a blower as well. I like that. That is neat. But the important thing is, how well does it really vacuum? We're going to go outside and try it out and see how well it works. Meet y'all outside. All right, we're going to give it a try on some stubborn grass right here. I'm going to put on this floor cleaning brush. It might do pretty good. Actually, it's doing a really good job. Considering this grass is stuck to that carpet. Try it without that. Oh. I think it did a great job. So if you're looking for a good handheld vacuum cleaner, I think this one might do the job for you. Saw how well it worked. I think it's a keeper. Thumbs up, I like it. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.